Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Today we will make an easy fish curry recipe with coconut milk. This is quite an easy to make recipe and super delicious. Let's get into cooking. So I have taken some fillet of fish, around 8 pieces. I have washed and cleaned them, and to marinate I'm using turmeric, salt and red chili powder, all half teaspoon each. And I'm going to with my clean hands I'm going to mix it well and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes to marinate. Some people use lemon juice, but I'm not using in this recipe. Next, in a pan, heat some oil to shallow fry the fish. And one tip I want to give here is make sure your oil is very hot so that when you turn the fish they don't break. This is a very good tip for new people who are just learning to cook fish. And also make sure you fry your fishes in batches, like how I have done it in 2 batches here. After that, in the same oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it splutter. Once they splutter, add around 10 to 12 curry leaves. And once the curry leaves aroma is released in the oil, we would add 2 medium-sized thinly sliced onions. Mix this and saute it and fry it till the onions become translucent. Next, in the same oil, we will add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Mix it well and let it cook for 2-3 minutes. Next, add half teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of red chili powder. If you don't like too spicy, you can alternate it with Kashmiri red chili powder, and add 3 to 4 green chilies after that. Add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes, or if you have large tomatoes, you can use 1.5 large tomatoes. I have finely chopped it and add that. Next, add half teaspoon of salt or salt to taste so that the tomatoes cook well. Basically, we need a mushy consistency tomato here. You can cover it and cook for some time, around 2 to 3 minutes. Once after 2 to 3 minutes, open the lid and add fish curry masala, or if you don't have fish curry masala, add garam masala to this. Next, mix it well and cook. And you can add 1 cup of water here so that all the spices and the tomato and onion, they all mix up well and none of the spices burn. And cover this. Make sure this boils first. Give it a boil, and then once it boils, it comes to a rolling boil, you can cover it and cook it for some time. I'm going to cover it in a while. Right now you can actually cover it and cook. Once after 4 to 5 minutes, remove the cover and stir it well. Once the curry comes to a boil, add the fried fish to this curry and let it cook in this gravy for 4 to 5 minutes so that the fish absorbs the gravy. And next, this is the secret ingredient of this recipe, is coconut milk. I'm using canned coconut milk here. This is a 400 ml coconut milk can. If you have fresh coconut milk, go ahead and use it. If not, you can use canned coconut milk. Pour the entire can and then slightly mix it. Make sure don't be too rough with the fish, because the fish might break since these are fillets. And once it is again cooked, cover it for some time, cook it well. And you see this rolling boil, this is something we have left the fish for 5 to 6 minutes, after which you see a rolling boil. This gives you an idea that the fish is in the curry for some time and it is absorbing the nice delicious gravy. And finally, your fish curry is actually ready. You can garnish it with some green chilies, and if you want coriander, you can. Serve it with hot rice, white rice, basmati rice, and enjoy your delicious fish curry with coconut milk. If you liked my channel, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you like to see more such videos, please do comment in the comment box, and I will see you next time. Until then, bye.